The compass should be calibrated before the first flight of the day and should be recalibrated when you change flying locations. This will minimize issues associated with interference from power lines, cellular towers, buildings with Wi-Fi networks, metal and concrete structures. From the flight control menu, press the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, the first menu is a safety menu. Scroll to the bottom and you will see where it says compass and a button for calibrate. This is an easy 4-step process. Step 1. Hold the drone horizontally in front of you for 3 to 4 seconds. Once it has completed this step, you will turn counterclockwise at a slow speed, and once you complete a full rotation, the controller will automatically go to step 3. Hold the drone vertically in front of you for 3 to 4 seconds, and as you did in step 2, rotate in a counterclockwise direction until you do a full rotation. After this step, you will see a message on the screen letting you know that the compass calibration was successful.